Man hears odd noise from abandoned mine ends saving the cutest creature ever. When an optimistic gold prospector was out searching near the central Victorian town of Vaughan, he heard an odd noise that sounded like a wild animal. Curious, he tried to find out where it was coming from. As he moved closer to the perturbed cries, he realized they were echoing from the bottom of a 36-foot deep mine shaft. He immediately notified Wildlife Victoria of the situation and gave the team an accurate location. Manfred Zabinskas of Five Freedoms Animal Rescue sped over to save whatever was making the helpless sound. With the help of local rescuers Dell and Bruce, Manfred was ready to go down the pit. Considering the call was made later in the day as the sun was setting, the rescue was going to be an even harder feat than Manfred and his little team previously thought. The sky was getting darker and darker by the minute. But as they approached, rescuers discovered the source of the noise. With the aid of bright torches, we could see the kangaroo laying down in a cramped position with little room to move, wrote Five Freedoms Animal Rescue in a Facebook post. There was nothing to break the fall, and the kangaroo would almost certainly have suffered serious injury such as spinal damage, a fractured pelvis or broken legs, the post continued. Every move to rescue her had to be a delicate one. As to not further hurt or stress out the marsupial, Manfred planned to sedate her before bringing her up to ground level. He carefully shot the kangaroo with a tranquilizer gun, but was stunned when the animal didn't react at all. Even after the dart hit, the kangaroo didn't attempt to stand up, which was a worry, and that told me she was either very weak or potentially injured, Manfred told to Yahoo News Australia. Though the team was worried about the state of the poor mammal, they didn't have time to think about it. The second the roo fell asleep, Manfred embarked on his journey down the narrow, fragile hole. But when Manfred made it to the bottom, fear struck him. There was a hollow sound from under my feet and I realized that the floor of the shaft wasn't solid. Several sticks had wedged across the shaft which were covered in dirt and debris, but it was hollow underneath, he explained. I had to be extra careful as a collapse of the floor would spell death for the kangaroo. At least I was safely suspended on my rope. There wasn't enough room to bend over to place the kangaroo into my bag, he continued. It was literally a matter of life or death for the kangaroo, who was balancing on haphazardly placed sticks and rubble. Nevertheless, Manfred worked to bring the kangaroo to the surface, reminded of his age and lack of fitness as he struggled. With all his might, Manfred successfully lifted the animal out of the pit. After examining her vitals, particularly to see if she was dehydrated or suffering from any respiratory issues, Manfred deemed her state miraculous, all things considered. Then, he noticed a curious detail. Amazingly, Manfred actually rescued 2 kangaroos in the process. Spoiler alert, she had a little Joey in her pouch. Manfred took the mama roo and her growing baby to his home to allow them to fully recover. She recovered from the sedation, had a drink, sniffed some grass, and it wasn't long before she was hopping around her lounge room and jumping over furniture, Manfred said of the rescued kangaroo's seamless recovery at his home. We quickly carried her down to our kangaroo enclosure as she would have more space to hop and less chance to destroy our furnishings. In the enclosure, she hopped lap after lap, and it was obvious that she was in excellent condition, the animal rescue detailed. Soon enough, Manfred and Bruce decided it was time to bring the healthy mother back to her habitat, making sure to drop her off a few hundred meters from the deadly open pit. They watched her happily graze and were pleased at how robust the mother roo seemed to be. And though this was a beautiful sight, the whole ordeal shouldn't have even happened. Manfred and other activists have pushed the government to take action regarding Australia's slew of empty mine shafts, which pose a threat to small children and animals. We dread that one day a child will fall down and get seriously injured and maybe then the government will start taking it more seriously, Manfred said. He continued to highlight the fact that these dangerous holes have taken hundreds of thousands of wild animals. A lot of people criticize that we've gone to this much effort and risk to save one kangaroo, but when you consider our losses in Australia, every life is precious and I think they deserve all the effort we can give them, Manfred explained. Though Manfred and the rest of the Five Freedoms Animal Rescue were called in to come and rescue the desperate kangaroo, other times the helpless animals are practically dropped on the doorsteps of animal rescue organizations, literally.
Thank you for watching this fantastic story. Please tap one of the two videos on your screen for another amazing wonder stories.